Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a Clique Kits and Spiegelmom Scraps hop layout that I made for social media on Saturday. So I did post this on Saturday. You might have already seen the layout, but I wanted to make sure that I got the video uploaded, and my weekend was kind of crazy. So sorry that I haven't gotten it up yet. This is using the Clique Kit's Hipster Kit, which is their holiday Christmassy scrapbook kit for December. And this one is actually all sold out, so I apologize that you can't go and buy it anymore. But I did want to kind of show you, this is me unboxing the kit as I am going to do this layout. So here you can see I pulled out this tree paper because I am going to do a small layout. It's just going to be a 9x12 layout of our Christmas tree, and this is from last year. And I knew immediately when I saw this cut file that I wanted to use the bare tree, and I wanted to add sequins, and in the Clique Kit there were these pom-poms. So I'm going to add sequins and pom-poms to these little trees, and these are a Clique Kit's cut files, so I will leave a link below to that. And I am going to just add all of the sequins and the pom-poms to these, and that's going to be really fun. I really love how that turns out. So here I knew I wanted a bunch of layers. I wish I would have just kept it to this, but I'm going to put it down, and then I'm going to decide, oh, you can't really see the red paper. That's dumb, you know? And so I'm going to pull off the red paper, and then I'm going to try to put it on some different way. And now here you can see I have pulled out this, it's kind of like a really light mint, and that works really well behind the pink, and so I'm gonna just go with that. You can see I'm fiddling with the red still, and I like it, but at the same time I don't. And I'm gonna try doing a lot of other things to add that red, but in the end I'm just gonna scrap the red. So I decided to just take it away, and now I'm gonna start, I am gonna add the red there. I forgot about that. And then I'm going to start adding layers up in that corner and other embellishments and things. I'm going to use the Snowy Fields Spiegelmom Scraps sequin mix, and I really like the whites and the greens together. They're just really pretty. So here you can see I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm cutting up another piece of that that pink paper, and I'm going to glue that to the red, and then I'm going to cut up this mint color, and I'm going to glue that to the red and the pink, and that is going to serve as kind of like a shelf. As Debbie Hodge would say, this is going to serve as my serve as my shelf for that little embellishment cluster up there in the top left hand corner, because I didn't just want that tree up there just sitting by itself. So I'm going to glue down the tree using my Xeron, this little sticker maker, and I'm going to start gluing down all of my embellishments and everything, and it's going to take a while. I decided to put all of the little pom-poms on this very top tree, and then the 3 trees at the bottom clustered around the photo are just going to be full of the Spiegelmom Scraps sequins. Sorry, my dog Max is in my room with me. Max, come here! And he is just getting into everything. Normally he's really good and he just sits by me and lays and sleeps, but he is very antsy today. I don't know why. Okay, now you can see I'm gluing down my photo, and I just realized it's a little crooked. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm wearing my glasses, so I could just be blind. And then now I'm going to glue down all of these trees with my, what is that called? Xeron, my sticker Xeron maker. Sticker maker? The Clique Kit also came with a little fake tree limb, so I'm going to glue that down as well, and I really like the texture that that adds. And you can also see that up there at the top, I glued down that little ornament piece that says Merry Christmas, and then also those leaves. And now here I am going to start gluing down all of the sequins, which is going to take a long time. So I think I'm going to cut most of this out because it takes forever, and I'm kind of sad, disappointed. I don't really like how it turns out. I don't know. Like, I had this amazing idea in my head and it just didn't turn out the way I thought it was going to look. Like, I thought these sequins were going to look amazing on these branchy trees. And I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think it looks okay? I'll show you the photos at the end. But I'm just kind of like, oh, this didn't turn out how I wanted it to. Okay, now here you can see that I decided to pull off this little tree from the chipboard set, and then also the ivy leaves, and I am going to do the title. I didn't want like a crazy big title or anything, so I just pulled the word Twinkle off of the one of the thickers sets that we got in the kit. I also am going to pull off this tree and add that up there to that little cluster, and I think that is pretty much the end of this layout. Thank you so much for coming by and watching this layout. Oh, I forgot, I did add a few of the gold little snowflakes, and now I'm going to glue down that tree, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are having a great week. Bye!